Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the name on your Facebook by different fonts. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are not in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Before going to the Facebook, let's open the Play Store. Tap on the search icon and here tap fonts, and here you can see the first app. Just download this app, and I have already downloaded this app. Now go back, and here you can see I have opened this app. All I have to do is go to the settings and allow permission to stylish fonts to set to your keyboards. Now go back, open up the Facebook app, tap on the menu icon, scroll down, tap on setting and privacy, tap on settings again. Now here you can see more in account center. Tap on your profile, tap on your profile again, and here you can see name. If I remove my name, just tap here and tap on stylish fonts. Now here you can see the different options. Now all I have to do is tap my name again. First of all, let me select. Now tap on Abiha Malik. So just tap on review changes, and this is how you can change your name on Facebook. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.